Learned how to cook pasta today. I'm really happy because I didn't think that I could make pasta. The Italian cook took us to this amazing market. You could taste local products, and we did taste a lot of products, so that was the fun part. And he was so friendly, so welcoming, warming, and we had like this nice group. Everyone was so nice, talking to each other. Yeah, that was really fun. At the end of the class, we had the recipes, so we can now do the recipes ourselves. To do this from the beginning to the end and to actually taste the pasta that I made, I was proud of myself.